Alright, back to what I was saying. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, so I got break even on this one because we went break even for market open and because I was up 20 points. Got break even and then dumped to where I was starting. So the second trade that I took was this 1 minute rejection block right here. And I took this with a 10-point stop. See, this covers OTE of the rejection block. And I was just targeting these lows. And we can see we get tagged in. And I closed this one when we came back down here for just about 20 points. And that summed up that trade. Those are my two trades for Thursday. Then let's get into today. So this was the first trade that we took. We swept out 4-hour lows, and we formed a inverse for value gap and a breakage structure. And what I was looking for was this 1 minute rejection block when we swept out this 1 minute internal low and rejected off of this 1 minute for value gap. And then after that, you see once you get tagged in, pretty much get stopped out the next handle. And then I got off after that because the rest of AM session was pretty choppy. I didn't really find any other entries. And then I went to the gym and got back on for PM session to see if I could recover the day. And ended up losing more money. This first trade I took in PM session was based off of a 4-hour rejection block. And we can see when we get tagged in, we respected the level to a T, literally no drawdown. But ES was not correlating and not being friendly and ended up, where was it? So right around here was where we got entered on NQ. And as we can see, right when we get entered, NQ is looking like it wants to move up and it is moving up while ES is moving down. And ultimately, I could have gone break even on this because I was up over 20 points, but I wanted to see us break this structure. And I wanted to have this trade open for I wanted to have drawdown available for 2 p.m. for the next hourly candle because I got it in break before 2 p.m. And we can see here, ultimately, ES just was not playing in our favor and just stopped correlating. And while NQ was trying to go up, ES was just going down and pretty much made us get stopped out. The next trade I found for PM was this 5-minute rejection block. Right when it wicked off of this 5 minute, right? You also see here, we sweep out this previous candle. And yeah, I was waiting to get entered, got edged once, got edged again right here. And after it edged me this third time right here, I should have just canceled it, in all honesty. But I did want to see it come up into this unfilled 5 minutes, so I held it. And pretty much got stopped out as soon as I got entered. So that would going to wrap up this week's trading. Ended up the week in red because of today. I just didn't take, if I didn't trade at all today and took the day off, I would be green on the week. But we had a losing day on Wednesday, a small winning day on Tuesday, a losing day on Monday, small winning day on Tuesday, a losing day on Wednesday, small win yesterday, and then today we just could not seem to take profit. But yeah, that is gonna wrap up this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, learned something new, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.